Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and we've got the brand new purple edition of the iPhone 12 in to take a look at, so without too much waffle, let's just get straight into it. But while you're here, if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up, subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. As you'd suspect, the unboxing experience of the purple iPhone is pretty much identical to any of the other colours. The box, however, does have metallic purple touches on the logos and of course the picture of the phone on the front. Now once we've peeled away the film, which comes off in one easy motion, no ripping, cutting or tearing required, we can lift the lid on the new phone. As usual, it's sat in its cradle at the top. The screen is protected by a simple screen protector that's really easy to remove and is mostly made from paper rather than non-recyclable plastic film that phones normally come with. Now we can place it to one side and check out the other contents. So there's no colour matched accessory, sadly, so it's very much the same as the others. That means your Type-C to Lightning cable and a little booklet of paperwork and a SIM ejector tool. Of course, there's no power adapter. To the phone itself, and Apple's opted for quite a muted purple colour. It's more lilac than bright purple, and the coloured glass on the back is matched by the soft anodized aluminium all around the edges. No contrasting light and dark here. That includes all the buttons and ports too, as well as the metal rings around the dual camera lenses, all of it designed to be that same colour. Even the antenna bands in the frame feature a purple-ish hue. Now spec-wise, of course, there's nothing new about this phone, so it features all the same performance and technical specifications of the other iPhone 12 models. There is, however, a new purple wallpaper, and it comes with the phone. Just in case you really love purple and need as much of it as you can get, plus, of course, there's that new purple leather case as well. Now the phone goes on sale from the 30th of April with the same price and configuration option as all the others. Pre-orders for those who want to get it on the first day will open on the 23rd of April, 1 week ahead of launch. So there you have it, a purple iPhone, and it's available to buy soon. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Is it purple enough for you? I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on social media. You can follow me on there, ask me questions if you want to. And again, if you did like this video, please do hit that thumbs up. It means a great deal. And subscribe to make sure you don't miss any more of our videos. See you again soon.